Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to use and off 24-hour format on Redmi mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After that, you are going to find this screen. Okay, then you have to scroll and here you can see this is the additional setting. So you have to click this additional setting. Okay, when you click on this additional setting, here you can see this is to date and time. So you have to click on this date and time. When you click on it, you have to scroll on the up little bit. Then here is the time format. Okay, just click on this time format. When you click on it, here is the 12-hour format 1 p.m. example 1 p.m. 24-hour format example 13. Okay, so if you want to set the 24-hour format, you just click on this 24-hour format and it will be activated. The 24 format will be activated on your mobile phone. And if you want to set 12-hour format, you can click on this 12-hour format, it will be set on your mobile phone. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. And thanks for watching.